Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're coming across a setup issue that Windows setup would not start properly, and please reboot your PC and run setup again. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung desk cleanup, and then click mo lang dito yung open. And next step, makikita mo dito yung desk cleanup drive selections. So select na drive you want to clean up. Okay, so i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan, and then sinik ka lang dito kung anong drive yung gusto mong i-clean up. Okay, so sinik lang natin tong ating C drive, and then click mo lang dito yung OK. And then wait natin na ma-complete yung calculating. And next step, so makikita mo dito yung desk cleanup. So files to delete, so sinik mo lang dito kung ano yung files yung gusto mong i-delete. Okay? And then next step, dito lang sa baba ay makikita mo dito yung clean up system files. So i-click mo lang yan. And then next step, pop up ulit itong desk cleanup drive selections. So, select mo lang dito kung ano yung drive yung gusto mong i-clean up. So, click mo yung arrow na yan. And then, select mo lang dito yung ating C drive. And then, click mo lang dito yung OK. And then, wait natin na ma-complete yung scanning and yung calculating ng desk cleanup. Right? So, after dito, in hope na na-resolve yung issue. But if the issue still persists, so, ang next solution na pwede natin gawin, so, dito lang ulit sa search menu, and then dito sa search for apps. So, type mo lang dito yung settings, and then click mo lang dito yung open. And next step, ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung system, and then dito lang sa right side, kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down, and then select mo lang dito yung recovery, so click mo lang yan. And then dito sa recovery settings, ang next step ay, under dito sa recovery options, so select mo lang dito yung advanced startup. Okay, so restart your device to change startup settings, including starting from a desk or USB drive. So dito sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-click to restart now. So click mo lang yan, and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung restart now. So after dito, so close lang natin, and then dito lang sa start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so ganoon lang po ka-simple on how to fix Windows setup couldn't start properly. Please reboot your PC. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.